Well, here's our 5-day forecast at a glance. And for those of you wondering when the cold temperatures are going to ease off, you're not going to have to wait much longer. Yes, it's going to be cold tomorrow, well below freezing for the afternoon high, but it's going to be warmer than the last couple of days, and that trend continues right into the weekend when we see more chances for rain and or snow as we look ahead to next week. Now in St. John's tomorrow, I'm forecasting a high of -9. That is significant, and here's why. As we take a look at our live NTV Skycam out there right now, we can see it is relatively calm. It is not clear, but it is still cold. Temperature is -11 with the wind chill of -18, and some light flurries are falling up at the airport. Today, the high reached -10. I believe the official number was -10.0, so -10 on the nose. I do not suspect it's going to get warmer than that overnight. And why is that significant? Well, check this out. If we take a look at the hours less than -10 degrees consecutively at the airport in St. John's, we are now at 122 hours with temperatures less than -10. That puts us solidly in third place for the longest streak, the longest consecutive hourly streak on record. Second place is within striking distance, 140 hours from January 26th to February 1st, 1972. And the last time we had this happen was 1975, when the tally went all the way to 163 hours. Now, I don't think we're going to get there, but I do think we are going to get here. And here's why. Here is the forecast for the next 24 hours. Actually, it's for the day tomorrow, 12 hours. But temperatures between now and tomorrow morning are going to remain less than -10. I'm really certain of that. And if we do not get above -10 until 2 or 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, that will put us around 141 to 142 hours. So that will put us solidly in second place. So it's been a very, very cold streak of weather, and it looks like, at least in part, it's beginning to break. And that will really be apparent by this weekend. Futurecast will take us through tonight. Things across Newfoundland and Labrador, very quiet. Some flurries here and there, otherwise mainly clear skies, even on the Avalon, with a few clouds pushing into western Labrador. Now, Labrador last night, skies were clear. The Aurora Borealis was on full display once again. Kelsey Baders took that picture in Nain last night, and look how vivid that is. Just gorgeous. Kelsey, thank you very much for sharing that picture with us. That was entered into our photo contest. And if you've got entries for the photo contest, you must enter at ntv.ca. And you do that, there's a big banner on the homepage. You click on the banner, upload your photo. You're in the grand prize draw for the Subaru BRZ right there. And you can enter more than once, but only once per person per day. And the grand prize draw happening live on NTV during the mid part of the month of April. But please, 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 you need to go to ntv.ca to enter. If you message me on Facebook or Twitter, those entries don't count. So you got to go to ntv.ca to get your photos into the photo contest. That's a firm rule. Futurecast will take us throughout the day tomorrow. Some flurries across western Newfoundland, a few clouds here and there. Otherwise, a quiet day with some clouds pushing into Labrador in the evening and some snow lurking offshore in Labrador, which will move in, it looks like, tomorrow night or Thursday. So across eastern Newfoundland tomorrow, temperatures rising to about -10 for the afternoon highs. Western half of Newfoundland tonight, temperatures falling into the -teens, some areas -20s. For the day tomorrow, highs -7 to -12 or so, or excuse me, yeah, -7 to -12 or so with light northwesterly winds. Into Labrador tonight, temperatures falling into the -20s, close to -30 in some areas. And then for the day tomorrow, -8 to -13 for your afternoon highs. 5-day forecast for eastern Newfoundland. Looking at the potential for some light snow passing over southern and southeastern Newfoundland and southern areas of the Avalon on Friday. We'll keep a close eye on that, talk about that more tomorrow. Saturday and Sunday looking quiet and a bit warmer. For central Newfoundland, looking at a quiet day Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, potentially a few flurries coming in for Sunday along the northeast coast. For western Newfoundland, Thursday and Friday are quiet. Risk of flurries for Saturday. Overnight lows moderating a touch, and Sunday's high near to that freezing mark. And into Labrador, temperatures also moderate as we look ahead to the end of the weekend and next week. In the east, some light snow on Thursday, again Saturday, and potentially more on